Tigana na mangana ngita chiva saribono tiga turigereria mangana renge toborende anase county ya Nyamiro oyo kabero bisime county ya Nyamira buno mo county commission abono ni garusi wenseme yo na kurwa senseme nga kerekeri bono county ya Nyamira ya nyare omo county commission omo ya oyo cha kire emeremo benne ni go chinga kiye chigo kwana maega yugo kole ntunde yoburai igatebere buno go kirobo koribwa yemeye county ya Nyamira buno muri kicho kurwa senseme yo jobu angi agotomanya Maga yoko kora obukoreri bwaye ase county ya Nyamira asegeka egetambe omo county commissioner we county ya Nyamira Lesima Michael natabokia obukoreri bwaye.
Sincerely speaking, nimekuwa Nyamira County for a bit longer than most of my stations. Nimekuwa Borabu nikiwa DCC for 5 years, nikaenda Nakuru 1 year, nikarudi hapa kama county commissioner. Na hiyo wakati yote nimekuwa nikifanya na nyinyi.
Asira nelia menye be county ya Nyamira mbujo mono asoko mobwatesia
na mkanipatia support, enough support. Vitu zingine siwezi sema direct mbele ya cameras, but you have given me exactly what I wanted. So mimi ni kushukuru nyinyi. Sasa nimemaliza nafasi yangu hapa Nyamira. Kama nitarudishwa na wakubwa wangu nitarudi. Kama sitarudishwa nitafanya kwingine na nitafanya hata vizuri hata labda zaidi.
Oyo kabeire omo county commissioner we county ya Mandera Onesmus Chata nere oirali bagaliaye buna omo county commissioner omo yewe county ya Nyamira.
Na nimepata fursa ya leo kufika Nyamira na nimeweza kukutana na wenzetu wale ambao tunashirikiana nao kwa karibu kuhakikisha kwamba tutapeana huduma ile ambayo ni kamili na ile ambayo inastahili watu ya Nyamira.
Asate aba obumanyi anyolete krara kolete mirimo ase county ya Nyamira gekagia kare mbochiko mokonya asoko gendereria ensemo yoborendi.
Hakuna njia nyingine. So I'm not new. Previously I worked in Manga. I was a DC in Manga for quite some time. So at least I have some little knowledge about the environment in this place, and I'm ready and determined to ensure that we better this place.
Ate banachi kubwaterana na babwatani ao eline gotingia oborendi ase county ya Nyamira.
Members who are here plus the deputy county commissioners and the members of the public, we must create a very strong partnership in order to ensure that we give the best to the members of the public. I must say that this place it has its own unique challenges. We shall sit down with our members and come up with an operation policy which will identify the major problems, and then from there we look at how to mitigate against those issues.
Maiga yoko soigwa abisi komo county commissioner omoya niga sabire okobwaterana egatia bamenyinere elinde gotingia oborendi ase county ya Nyamira kurwa samaga